Привет, привет. Аккуратней, Степ, не трогай ее.
А она может укусить?
Может. Привет. Маленький, не бойся. Но.
What are you doing in here? Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
It is so bad, I want to give you a 0, but that's not possible. So I give you a 1.
When you get sick in the truck and you're feeling all bad, and you shouldn't feel bad because it wasn't your fault, puppy. Accidents happen. You didn't mean to get sick in Daddy's truck. I bragged this morning about you ain't never had an accident in 9 years, and then you eat something rough tonight. Throw up in a truck for the first time. You're okay. Daddy loves you. You'll be all right. You gotta look so sad, pouty pout. I still love you. I still love you, baby boy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You ain't gonna mess up Daddy's truck. I love a puppy. Yeah, I love a puppy. It's a good boy. Him's a good boy. You're okay. You're okay.
What's going on? Oh my God! Jerry, what the hell is wrong with you? Leave Jerry alone! Fine! Please stop stealing the marshmallows! Happy freaking New Year!
For those of you who were asking why the yellow dog never got any pancakes, I will show you why. Jakey, come! Jake, sit. The yellow dog is picky. He doesn't like pancakes, but the other two do. Hey, Dave? He's picky. He's picky.
Why are you bringing your babies to Blossom? Why? You want them down here? You want them with Blossom? I don't know about that, Summer.